Very important developments being reported from the Supreme Court now, which is currently hearing 6 review petitions on its December 14th verdict on Rafale deal. In fact, the Attorney General has dropped a literal bombshell saying that Prashant Bhushan is trying to produce in the court several documents which are barred under the Official Secrets Act. And the Attorney General also going on to say that these documents were stolen from Defence Ministry and a probe is on. So therefore, there is no way that these documents can be cited and used in the Supreme Court for the current hearing, which is related to the review petitions on the December 2018 verdict on Rafale deal by the Supreme Court. Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan has more on this. Madhav, a big charge really from the Attorney General's side on how these documents have come in public domain. Earlier were used by a publication, and now Prashant Bhushan is trying to produce them in the court as well.
Well, yes, absolute bomb that has been dropped over there by the AG. In fact, K.K. Venugopal coming out to say that Bhushan is producing in court several documents that really, of course, are barred under the Official Secrets Acts or the OSA. And in fact, K.K. Venugopal coming out to say that these documents were stolen from the Defence Ministry and a probe is currently on. This is very big information coming in, a very big allegation coming in from the AG. And one would assume that standing as he is before the Supreme Court, really, of course, this kind of a charge, this kind of an allegation being made by him, of course, is a very, very serious one. How will, of course, this Supreme Court look at it? In fact, the CJI has come out to tell the AG that Bhushan say whatever he wants. Just because we are listening to him does not mean we are taking everything on record. That's the Chief Justice of India. In fact, AG coming out to say that Prashant Bhushan is compromising the security of the country. The Chief Justice of India then responds to AG K.K. Venugopal, says that according to you, sensitive documents was stolen. What have you done about it? The AG then responds saying that there is an investigation on in this entire matter. This is, of course, the updates coming in from Harish.
Madhav, that's massive, and it's going to have massive implications in political circles as well. Let me just quickly bring in our executive editor, Vivek Narayan, who's joining me from the news page. Vivek, this is so important. The topmost government lawyer saying that the certain documents were stolen from the Ministry of Defence.
Well, this is a huge allegation. This is the topmost legal officer of Government of India making this allegation that Prashant Bhushan has used stolen defence documents. I mean, this would have massive implications as the case proceeds. OSA is a law which is very stringent in itself. It has a massive bearing. We have with us our National Affairs Editor Srinjoy Chaudhary. Srinjoy, these are documents stolen, he says, the topmost legal officer from the Defence Ministry, which has been put out by Mr. Prashant Bhushan. This would even mean that he would be charged now.
Well, even if he is not charged, there is an investigation in place, and the investigation has to find out when the documents were taken out, by whom, and for what purpose. And that's a serious way of looking at things. So the Attorney General is within his rights to call for an investigation, because it's absolutely imperative. Today this has gone out. Strictly speaking, tomorrow something even more critical could come out.
This is about those 36 planes which India has brought from France. Technical specifications of this plane vis-a-vis its rivals, Srinjoy. I mean, these are secrets, details which you and I should not be able to know. We should not be aware of, let alone bring it to public space.
Even if we are aware of it, it is important that a document that is marked secret or top secret or whatever it is should not be used for any other purpose. You can use it for, you cannot use it to...
Vivek and Srinjoy, I'm sorry I have to interrupt you. Thank you very much for putting things in perspective, but this will definitely become a big story today, and we'll keep our viewers right on the top of it. For the moment, we have to head into a short break here.